Eating has become one of kinds of culture for centuries. Today, people are interested in not only what and how they eat, but also where they eat. Some people prefer to eat at food stands or restaurants. Other people like preparing and eating at home. In my opinion, I would rather eat at home than at restaurants. As you watch me prepare beef yakiniku, please listen to what I have to say about pros and cons about eating home versus eating out. Before I get into that argument, here's how I cook yakiniku. Cut the beef into bite-sized pieces if necessary. In my case, I bought pre-sliced beef. Season with yakiniku sauce. You do not have to soak but cook immediately. Cook the seasoned beef in a frying pan until done. Easy as 1, 2, 3, and you can enjoy eating and guaranteed to have happy tummy. Restaurants and prepared food often incorporate more fats, sugar, and sodium than we would normally use when cooking for ourselves. The cost of eating out puts a large strain on many of our food budgets. It is 5 times more expensive to order delivery from a restaurant than it is to cook at home. Meal kits are 3 times more expensive than cooking from scratch. When a family eats at home, they will pay less than restaurants because when we buy from the market, we buy for better quality and a better price. People who cook at home more often rather than eating out tend to have healthier overall diets without higher food expenses. Lack of time often prevents people from preparing their own nutritious meals. The more I eat, the more I like. The more I like, the more I eat. Enjoy home cooking! Bon appetit! Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell button down.